Today we are making slow cooker pork chop cacciatore. First, we add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan that we have heated to medium-high. And then we are going to brown our pork chops. For 4 servings, we are cooking 40 ounces of raw pork to allow for shrinkage with cooking. We check to see if the pork is starting to brown on the edges and flip to brown on the other side. Once the pork chops have browned on both sides, we are going to transfer them to the crock pot where they will do the remainder of their cooking. We then return our pan to the stove on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of chopped onions and allow them to brown. Once the onions have started to brown, we're going to add 2.7 ounces of sliced mushrooms, 1.9 ounces of sliced green peppers, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now we're going to mix that and cook until the vegetables are tender. Then we are going to add 12.7 ounces of a low sugar, low sodium marinara sauce and 12.7 ounces of canned diced tomatoes. We're going to mix that well and pour this mixture over the pork in the crock pot. Now this is where we will add the white wine if you choose to have that in this recipe. We will be adding 1/4 cup of dry white wine and mixing that in before cooking on high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. Now that the pork is just about done, we shred about 10 ounces of fresh cauliflower, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, cover with plastic or similar covering, and microwave for 3 to 5 minutes. Once the cauliflower is tender, we weigh out 2.19 ounces of the cauliflower rice per plate and top with 6 ounces of pork. We then divide the remaining contents of the crock pot equally among the plates.